Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at a special package for your iPhone XS Max. This is basically like a starter kit. You can pick it up for like 20 bucks. The link will be down below. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so big shout out to Orzly. They actually sent this out to me. I've never reviewed a case from them, and they had my address like probably almost a year ago, and they just finally sent this out to me, so better late than never. So here's the box itself. It's basically almost like a startup kit if you guys do actually pick up your phone. So for 20 bucks you can get a lot in here, so big shout out to them for being different. Okay, so let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. So on the inside you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3 different cases. You do have like a little ring stand that you can put on the back of the device, and you do get a tempered glass as well, and you get a little pen, or is this a stylus pen? It's a stylus pen. Well, I'll let you know. And also you get a car charger, which is pretty dope. So I've never seen that before. Alright, so you get all this. You get a tempered glass, you get a ring stand, you get a stylus pen that does have their logo on there, a car charger with only one USB port, and 3 different cases. So if you guys know me, I'm going to start off with the cases first. So let's just pop this first one out, see what it looks like, and you get a sneak peek. So here's the packaging right here if you guys are interested in what the packaging actually looks like. Recyclable materials, I guess, protection for your mobile device. So let's just pop this baby out, see what you get. So we have a thank you card if you want to do a review, designed in London. So we get this first case right here, which is basically, it's almost like a wallet back case. So you have an insert there that's for your license or for cash or whatever, and we have a smooth texture here in the inside, which is pretty cool. Let's see if it's cheap. It's not super cheap, but it does feel a little bit premium, so I'm definitely digging that. So let's just pop this baby in and see what it looks like. So I'm definitely digging this case so far. It's a little bit different. It's more of like a suede couch type feel. Let's see how the lip action is. Just a little bit flush, so you don't really get much lip action, but I do have a tempered glass, so this is more like to go out and to be a show off and to show your mom that you mean business nowadays. So let's just pop this one out, and on the bottom it's wide open, guys. So let's see how the buttons feel. The buttons feel pretty good, and the medium toggle switch is good as well. So if you guys want to take this off, always go from the bottom because it's a little bit more sensitive down there. So let's go into the bigger one, which looks like probably will be more protection. And it is. This is a leather wallet case. We do have the logo for Orzly right there on the bottom. You can pop this out. Alright. And we do have a TPU type case on the inside. And we do have 3 little card inserts with a little spot there. That's for money or for pictures or whatever. Designed by Orzly in London. Pretty cool. Nice little suede inside. So it's basically a regular wallet case, which is pretty cool. So let's just pop this in, see what this one looks like. Basic wallet case, guys, and it does have a nice little magnet, so it's nice and smooth. A really decent. Now it's a little bit shaky, like it's not too firm, but it'll definitely do the job. So here's the bottom right here, and power button seems good. So here's the thickness of it. It's a little bit thicker now. So if you guys are into wallet cases, and you do have this nice little stylish one, so you have a really thick case and you have a thin case right here. Let's see what the last case is all about. Let's pop this one out, see what this one looks like. 3 cases, and you get all this stuff for 10 bucks. Definitely worth it in my opinion. So here we have a skin type feel case, which is basically a super thin case if you guys are not into cases at all and you just like to rock it out just like that. You just pop this baby in. Pretty simple. I have seen these type of cases in the past, but they kind of bend really quickly. So if you don't leave it on, then like it starts to bend in like these weird conforms. But this actually complements the gold really, really well. I don't know if you guys could pick it up. It actually makes it look like a little bit more golder than what it actually looks like. So what do you guys think about this skin case, or about all the cases from Orzly? Flush, and there's no lip action at all, but it looks really, really nice though. I'm not gonna front. Really, really nice, and it complements your phone well. So here is the ring stand. Basically, this is what you do with the ring stand. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. It does have like a little sticker in the back, and you just place it right on there, and you're able to hold your phone. Or if you want to make it into like a kickstand, you could definitely do that as well, which is pretty cool. Works as a kickstand. Extra support when holding large devices, and is lightweight, and it's bulk free, it says. So here's the tempered glass. Now I don't need a tempered glass right at the moment, but I just want to see what this looks like. Plus it's a 2-pack, guys. So if you do mess up, you do get another try, but you do have your alcohol prep pad, and we have your microfiber cleaning cloth, and your 2 tempered glasses right over here. So guys, big shout out to Orzly for making a pack that you definitely should have, because you need a tempered glass, you need a case, a charger as well. So big shout out to them. This is just a nice little addition. So for 20 bucks, you could get all of this. You get all this inside the packaging. Tempered glass, cases, stylus pen, and everything you need for the iPhone XS Max. So if you guys want to buy this box, the link will be down below. If you guys are interested in each individual case, I will have that also linked down below. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Orzly products and the iPhone XS Max. So to the next video, guys. Peace. Definitely digging this one the most though. Later.